Okay, so you need domain warp noise for any reason. Super easy. You go to Cyberlunar, noise generators, and then domain warp noise generator. And then you see this tool, which allows you to generate domain warp noise super easily. And you can export it with the click F button, as always. This runs on your GPU, so it's super fast. You can use any resolution that you want. You can also control some of the properties of the noise, like the octaves you want. Oh yeah, and you can animate them with this to scroll through different seats. Or you can just generate your single textures. Super easy, super fast. Have another one.